Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be making a pillow fort tonight. I just really need a snuggly warm place to be. I'm not feeling the best right now. I guess it's partly senioritis, partly stress, and so I want you guys to join me as I absolutely destroy my room. Before we get into that, my roommate technically doesn't live here anymore, so I'm going to be using her mattress as well. So I'm going to be using 2 twin mattresses, and I have a lot of blankets and pillows here that I'm going to be using, and I hope it's going to be fun because I need to do something pretty fun right now. I've decided that I'm going to make my pillow fort right here below my bed, so I just already went ahead and moved my side table, and I took all the sheets and stuff off my roommate's bed, and now I'm just gonna take all the sheets off of this, move the mattress down, move the other mattress over, and then reassemble. Mattress is upright in a wall shape now. The sheet that I want to drape over it is inside the box that you were sitting on. So I'm just gonna grab that and then I'll be right back. Evidently that angle didn't work. Let's try again, shall we? So I'm in my fortress now. I am completely surrounded by pillows and soft things, and I'm in my own little tiny cave. I'm going to sleep in here tonight, of course. I didn't make it tall enough for me to really sit up. I mean, I can sit up quite a bit, but this isn't a lot. Nonetheless, I'm going to watch some movies, so yeah, time to relax.